Petition issued by Coastal CSOs Forum Sub National Group in the Volta region, specifically Jita, residents describe the suspension of the project since 2025 as a devastating blow to years of hope built around a coordinated regional response to coastal erosion, tidal waves, and flooding. Ghana joined the WACA Recipe 2 program in 2022 with its official launch in August 2024, marking a significant step toward addressing persistent environmental threats facing coastal. That sense of optimism was evident during the 2024 Hugbachocho Festival in Anlo, where traditional leaders and local authorities actively championed the project, encouraging widespread community participation and ownership. But what was once celebrated as a turning point has now become a source of deep anxiety. Some residents have been speaking with Joy News on the issue.
Charity from Anyangwi. We are pleading to the government about how the tidal waves and then the sea is disturbing us from the stress of Jita, Bledomi, Anyangwi, and Atiteti on the stress. On the rate of things, the way the tidal waves and the road issues, we don't have any other facilities that help us, like hospitals. The small clinics that we have is not enough. The town is growing up and a whole lot of things. So we are pleading with the government to come to our aid, to widely arms opened, and he's welcome to our page to help us to build the coastal area with the sea defense.
My name is Edward Eda. I'm part of the civil society group that have been educating the communities along the coastline of Anglogan District, Kata Municipal and the Katu South Municipal under the WACA project. We, as civil society group, steering committee in Volta region, we did a study tour of the WACA project in Benin and Togo. And the Benin and Togo WACA project is very excellent. You will be impressed about the coastal protection and all the necessary interventions that the governments of Togo and Benin did under the WACA project. Ghana too, we know government has secured a loan about 2 years now, and the Parliament of Ghana approved that loan for the Ghanaian version of the WACA project by protecting the coastline from Katu South, Kata Municipal and Anglogan District, especially Jita, Atitati, Aglodomi and Puvema. Puvema as a community has been consumed by the sea already, but we want government to come and assist so that the other communities that have been producing fish to meet the protein needs of the population are also not destroyed.
The group further warned that Ghana risks isolating itself from a wider West African effort to build coastal resilience as countries like Togo, Benin, Senegal, and the Gambia continue to advance with implementation. According to them, the delay contradicts the very essence of the regional collaboration model underpinning WACA.